we back with the top op. Is he the top op?
Julio Foolio. Huh?
Is he the top op?
Is he the top op? Depends on who you're talking to.
But does he call himself the top? Somebody calls himself the top op.
I don't know.
Somebody I listen to calls themselves that. I listen to too many shooters to know.
I mean, if you asking Young and Ace them, then
no, but somebody specifically says like I'm the top op like on their songs.
Oh well, maybe it's him. He throwing.
If you know, drop in the
up too.
If you know, comment it so I know who the top op. Somebody the top op.
His Glock on tuck.
That's what he say.
He's saying his gun is tucked in his pants.
Obviously.
Okay.
I know about the Glocky.
I ain't know if you knew.
Demons in me, voices in my head, just like Randy Orton. I run with those smackers, we get active just like Rick and Morty.
Remember Randy Orton? He was like, I have voices in my head.
The hell?
They talk to me and
what the hell is you talking
they
about?
talk to me. That's why he said demons in my head like Randy Orton.
Oh, his intro song. Oh, all right. You gotta do all that. All right. I was like, what? I thought you meant Randy Orton was singing. I'm like,
nah, that's his theme song.
Yeah, I got you. I'm here.
You gotta hear what he's saying.
I'm listening to him.
Voices in my head, just like Randy Orton. I run with those smackers, we get active just like Rick and Morty. More than how my baby girl, you crazy, pay for that abortion. Triple cross, go against the game, then it's straight extortion. I'm the quarterback, cause I'm the one who put the play in motion. Top a beat, bump, spot him, got him, I'ma close his curtain. Remember, I was broke, now I'm in my bag like a bird. Your face car dirty, my shit cleaner than some dish detergent. Screaming for the op, shout out my block, we tighter than some virgins. A double felon back on the ground, boy, we know you weren't. I hear one more diss about Lil Bibby, then we fucking purge. My favorite op and tell I'm mad he had.
Don't. Just hit play. Just hit play. Just hit play.
Okay.
Just hit play.
He won't let me. Y'all know what I want to. Y'all know what I want to
just
sing.
Hit play. Just hit play.
Just hit. And I need you.
Just hit play.
All right, come on.
One more diss about Lil Bibby, then we fucking purge. My favorite op and tell I'm mad he had to hang up his jersey. Stolo car ride, bitch we slide back to back again. And if I shoot my Glock, then K up his jersey. Stolo Lil Bibby, then we fucking purge. My favorite op and tell I'm mad he had to hang up his jersey. Stolo car ride, bitch we slide back to back again. And if I shoot my Glock, then K4 gon' shoot the F and in. Koja, that's my cousin. Stone and Harder, that's my fucking twin. It ain't nobody perfect on this earth, we was born to sin. Shit ain't block, let's spin the bin. Fuck it, bro, let's spin again. 50 Cent got many men. Come to my city checking in. Last nigga dissed on the 6, we had did him in. He jumped in that water with my sharks, but he couldn't swim. Bitch, I'm clean as fuck from my tape up to my pinky toe. Op hoes love us, why you think we always got the low? Knock them down, back to back like 3 times in a row. Shit, look at the scope. It's like 6 to I 34. I'm calling all the plays. Watch the cameras.
Hey, you got to be taking my man's bars though. He switched it to 34, but I mean.
Go but check the scope. If y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24.
Everybody takes Chicago slang.
He talking like he is taking Chicago slang. Or do Florida be sliding and all that too? They call it sliding. I just think
I've heard them say it too, but I feel like everything like nowadays in rap is rooted in Chicago.
Yeah.
Like they just got it right now. Everybody wants to beat them for some reason. Everybody want to beat them.
Go 6 to 34. Wait, and who was his op?
Young and Ace.
No, the one he say in jail.
Oh, Queso.
Oh, he the one that killed.
Allegedly killed.
Allegedly
killed Bibby.
I mean, but if he in jail, he probably like got the. It's a case. I mean,
yeah,
it's closed.
No.
Oh, he just in there.
He's awaiting like.
Awaiting trial or whatever.
Yeah. But he supposedly killed Bibby. Remember he was wearing like the Mike Bibby jerseys and stuff.
Yeah, he crazy in the motherfucker.
Feds did a raid. I'm cut just like a spade, like a blade. So stay out my way. You can die today if your stupid ass this on tray 8. Niggas acting fake in my face, trying to hit my J. Bitch, let's get it rockin', let's get it poppin' on my side of town. Young Jock is going down, just like it. You a fucking clown. He jumped out in that water, Will Stardom, and he fucking drowned.
Just like it. You a fucking clown. Look at Young and Ace trying. My bad. My bad. We was just talking about my bad, Julio Foolio Glock. My bad. That's My
Why you
bad.
doing like that?
That's Julio.
We have never reacted to Young and Ace on this show.
I know, but we just talked about him on the last break, and then it out. My bad, fam.
You just said
because y'all just running around with guns and shit. I don't like guns.
Foolio.
Look at Foolio trying to rap.
Yeah.
All right.
He play.
Might edit that out. I'm scared of this nigga.
My shooters just like rumors, just like Ubers, cause they get around. Lullaby, we laid them down. King sits, give me my crown. I heard that boy got kidnapped. We call that one art lost and found. You know what this is about. Doing fraud, just got around.
Wait.
What? This nigga crazy. Again, Julio, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
They man-napped him.
They
man-napped him.
They man-napped this big dumb ass. Hold on.
We gotta stop laughing at these.
Yeah,
people.
stop. That is not. Who
Yeah,
raised
nobody
you?
told you to say that.
Who raised you?
I was gonna leave that part out.
We call that one art lost and found. You know what this is about. Doing fraud, just got her out. Got the drop, we staking out. Said 50 shots all in this house. I feel the pressure, I press the issue. We popping shit like Adney Pill. My heart cold like it's December. In dirt world, my real mill. In Vontaland, they real hitters. You a bitch, you a real jizzle. Since I'm a certified killer. We beat blocks like instruments. Like Pennywise, you a fucking clown. My Rolex shit bust down. Ops block on shot.
He must have just watched It.
Why? What do you say now?
Cause Pennywise is
Yeah.
the clown.
When did he say Pennywise?
Just now. He just said it.
Oh,
He said like Pennywise, you a fucking clown. He must just watch that shit or something.
maybe it's a part of the.
It's on his mind.
Ops like instruments. Like Pennywise, you a fucking clown. My Rolex shit bust down. Ops block on shut down. Why everybody on hush now? Why everybody so quiet now? Why your whole family crying now? And beef it ain't never over, but sometimes it be dying down. Funeral houses in court dates. Bro finna be the court case. Fly around with an AK. Heart broke by Kendrick. Police killed my son. I heard you out on the bus bond. Draco got AR, got Glock. Boy, we got guns. Boy, you ain't gon' stretch shit. Nigga know we reckless. Snatch a rap, nigga necklace. Like the F-Cat, we text shit. Nigga, you don't wanna beef with us. Fuck, nigga, you ain't street us. Back in the day, you was a lame nigga. You was scared to hang on the back of the bus. Aaron died, my heart crushed. Book 6, we turning up. Book all, we shot it up. Nigga, we got our bodies up. I get green 2015, boy, the whole game we was mollied up. Boy, you better not start with us. You ain't even got heart like us. VVS, bust, Glock on top. I just caught the play.
Hey, can they chill with all the guns in the video though?
Like, where was the store clerk?
Shit, hiding. Shit, you see all them guns? You
Like, they was in there just waving guns around. Like, where's
a lot of them. They was two-handing them shits too. They was like
Where's the cashier?
hiding all them guns. Man, you crazy? Shit. Golly.
Down set, I can't wipe no rabbit. That little hoe a mutt. I'm Katie in the clutch. You EZL on that dust. I'm trading with this chopper. You junior, I'm your father. My dress hanging like roster. I'm cut just like a barber. You on the bench, I'm a starter. You grind slow, I grind harder. You caught a face shot. Damn, you won't see no daughter. See no daughter, nigga.
Oh, sign language. I don't know what he said, but that was fire.
I actually like that one.
That was fire.
I like that one.
What's going on you?
Julio.
That was a solid 9.
That was, I ain't like that.
9 out of 10.
That was a good 7. I like that. That was
9
a good one.
out of.
I'm gonna download that one. That was a good one. I give him that.
We called the ops, lost and found.
Yeah,
That was great.
because you the man napped him.
Yeah,
Tripping.
I like it.
But like, so many guns. So many guns.
But he's licensed to carry.
I mean, that's cool. So that means he ain't got no felonies either. Oh, okay.
He licensed to carry.
All right. Just like chill with the guns, but thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe.